It's filming, so now it's right where I want it.
Live.
Yeah, it's fine.
Are we live?
We're live.
We're live. No one touched that.
Don't hit the ball. We're
Live.
live.
Second ball today.
Hello, I think.
Hey.
How's it going?
You guys want service? You serve.
Line angle high.
And I'm pretty sure Brian does not.
Alright, best of 7. We don't need that many.
I'm not saying anything. Just.
You like more inside or outside? Yeah.
More inside. That's fine.
You or me?
Once.
Alright. Yeah. 2-1. I think so. 1, 2, 3, yeah. 4-1. 4-6. Alright, throw me a ball.
No, I don't know how to make that.
Coach. 5-1.
So Friday was on two-way.
So we sign out. Alright, John. That's where we shine.
Going.
Yeah. Yeah, even. 2-5.
The cool surfer doesn't do that.
I know it.
Oh, yeah.
No one. I gotta say something. Yeah. 3-5. Yeah.
Yeah. How you doing, Olivia?
Good, and you?
Good. So nice out. So hot.
Is it 6-3? Zach, can you step left? Yeah, 6-3. Yeah, I like that. You're up.
Where's my beer, Fred?
Yeah. 8-4.
Yeah. Is that far enough out to you right here?
I know.
5-8.
Oh, yeah.
Hi. How's it going? Nice.
Hit that.
Oh, I had truffles. Chocolate.
What up?
But I
I like
didn't try
Oh, I wanted that.
Brussels.
That's super good.
I had macaroni, but you said you didn't like it.
Put that on the highlight reel.
I kept looking at you. I was like, "What are you watching?"
You're amazing.
Yeah, I was supposed to be.
6-8.
Really deep.
Not a good set. Fuck! No, that's not you.
What's up, Fred?
1-6. 1-6, 7-8.
I think you're right.
Here we go.
This? Yeah, actually, yeah, that's all okay. Yeah, that's good. 9-7.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dan. At 3, it's like 10 a.m. Stressed a little bit?
8-9.
It was great. I got back Monday, so a little bit jet lagged, but fun. I think I was there for work.
Huh?
Alright,
8-9. 8-9.
And then ate a ton of the guys.
It's a block.
Huh?
Launching and throwing on accident.
9-9. Highlight, yeah. Nice job. Yeah, I'll fit it. That's fine. I just all that one. Yeah. Oh, nice.
Be careful. You may need to get
Jumbo him. Yeah, just swing.
Just say no and screw up the.
One.
Why?
Oh, really?
Wendy doubled.
I didn't know it was double. 10?
Yeah, yeah. So effective.
All right, folks.
Whoa! So amazing! So amazing! Please.
Almost as good as you,
Jordan.
Jordan.
Please, Jordan. Turn it down. Just down.
Let's go here.
Yeah.
that.
Nope.
I just want to just like trust is there, for sure.
One. Yeah.
Ryan, you're supposed to joust me.
I was too focused on taking the cross.
That's your guys. I thought you were gonna go like this. You thought he was gonna go. Yeah, you're outside.
2-1.
2-1.
Yeah.
Mine.
Yeah.
You're not as invisible as Sarah. I don't hear her. I don't see her. She just passed by with just
Come on. Not keep it hard.
No, this not bad.
Pick a card.
I got Mike's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Et Zizi.
Tu veux parler mardi? Non, non. Il a dit qu'il doit avoir envoyé un message pour le tournoi.
Yikes. Great set. Great tip, Brad.
Juste, ouais,
Comme ça?
ouais, mais comme ça, quand on prend le côté, ça reste droit.
I have no idea the scores.
3.
Threes? Pas con, pas con.
Give me a B, give me a R.
Pas con, pas con.
C'est pas comme si on faisait ça.
Like I'm still showing so much. Like. 4-3. Yeah. Cross. I went really early. I like Stango Bang. 3-8. 3-9. Woo!
You don't play for me?
Yeah, sure, let's go.
Where were you?
Dallas, Phoenix, Tahoe.
For fun or for work?
All of the above.
Nice.
3.
Yeah. Is it 5? No, 4. 4. 4.
Yeah. Yeah.
What up?
I won.
Yeah, no one. Hey!
Nice block. Great pickup. So I'm gonna bring it down from that, like that. I was ready to
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, like that.
I was trying to drop straight back and then I was so late.
We need a ball.
fell like running back, and then fell running forward,
One more.
And then you sniped him.
6-1.
7-4. Yeah.
Swing.
Over here.
Did you see me drop?
Go, go, go.
Hey, great swing, Jonah.
I literally just stay on my feet. I have that.
Go for it. Just drop to my knee.
Getting nice. Sun's coming out.
That's what she said.
5'6". Yeah, 5'7". 5'7".
Yeah.
Is that too tight when you're...
Probably not.
I got 2 fingers. OBB be good.
6'7".
7-2.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good, honestly.
Take
it back. I'll run out. Yeah. 86.
Exactly what happened to me on my serve. You serve.
What are the vowels? What? Fucking good.
8-2.
No one.
Dan, do like an action shot?
9'6".
Come on.
Yeah, switch. Yeah, 35.
Jesus Christ.
Sorry.
Is this it?
Yeah, I have a problem, right?
Oh, on your ball?
Yeah, I don't know.
Exactly.
3-8.
Yeah, keep on. Oh, buddy. Great day.
7 up.